So I changed the air filter on the Jeep here. And honestly, it's dirty to all heck. Still a little damp too from the other day when I had to forge the river there by the city there. But this is just accumulation of going out of the construction sites and all that, and all the dust and the dirt, and probably the dirt from the water as well, but pretty dirty. But yeah, don't have your air filter look like this. Definitely kill performance on any vehicle. I swapped it out for another Fram, so gotta get the horsepower back.